In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on revenue recognition in QuickBooks. This feature is particularly useful for businesses working with subscription-based models or long-term projects where revenue isn't recognized immediately. So let's dive in step by step to ensure you know exactly what to do. First, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the settings icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This section is essentially the control center for your business's core configuration details. This area helps streamline your financial operations, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. Next, you'll navigate over to the Sales tab within your company settings. Click on Sales, and you'll find an extensive array of options to help you manage everything related to selling products and services in your business. This section is your go-to for ensuring that your books correctly reflect your ongoing sales activities. It's crucial for accurately tracking and reporting your business's financial health. Now, click on the Products and Services link. This page offers an overview as well as customization options for the goods and services you offer. Think of this as the backbone of your product catalog in QuickBooks. It's indispensable for tracking revenue. Getting familiar with this section can greatly enhance your ability to organize your business's financial activities efficiently. The next move is pivotal. Look for the Revenue Recognition toggle. This feature is all about accounting for your income in a way that aligns with when your services are delivered or when a customer becomes entitled to those services. Toggle this setting on. Revenue recognition is especially critical for companies offering long-term contracts or subscriptions. It ensures that your revenue reports provide an accurate depiction of your business performance over time. Finally, remember to click on the Save button to secure the changes you've just made. While it might seem like a simple step, it's an essential one, as it guarantees that your new revenue recognition settings are stored in the system and ready to be applied to your accounting processes. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to successfully turn on revenue recognition in QuickBooks Online Advanced. This feature is a powerful tool to have on your side, keeping your financial reporting precise and easy to understand. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you need any additional help or have questions, feel free to reach out for more detailed explanations. Until next time, keep your books balanced and your business thriving.